So I have 9 of German red hardneck. And 9 music. And they're all decent size. The cloves, like even the smaller ones, they'll have less cloves, but they'll all be a good size. Looks like I dinged this one. So anything you damage, you eat those first. I haven't seen, like this one suffered from the virus anthracnose, so I'll have to wait and see when I dry this up and use it if what it looks like on the inside, but from the outside it doesn't look any different. Starting to wonder if I'm burying these too deep. The deeper they are, the smaller the bulbs are. Like the stem so wide, but such a tiny bulb. So these were the elephant garlic, and it wasn't the best specimen to begin with. But I have 7 of these.
What you doing? Recording now?
Mm-hmm.
Can you give me a popsicle?
Mm-hmm.
I want the berry ones again. Actually, I'll try the I'll try, I guess, the berry. Yeah, the berry's better. Oh, look at those.
This is a drier area. I didn't water it so well. So much tinier cloves. Now these dozen are grown in more shady areas, so let's see how they fared. They look a lot smaller. And this soil is a lot harder, more compact. Oh, look at that. That one's already splitting. That's interesting. There's another one that's already splitting. Huh, that's interesting. Being in the shade here, definitely not recommended. So we are looking at 40 hardneck between music and German red, and then 7 elephant garlic variety. So this is going to cure for about 3 weeks, at which point we will move it to a darker location, cooler location, probably the basement, to last us through the winter. This is actually plenty for us. I don't cook all that much garlic. I could certainly preserve most of this and be okay. And there's plenty of, that one's the chunkiest, that one and this one. Those I would save for next year's, or not this next year's, October's sowing of garlic. So yeah, pretty good haul. So lesson so far is definitely stay out of the shade for garlic, keep well watered, and harvest. I don't know when to harvest, but it's odd that some of them are splitting already. I know most of you also harvested your garlic already, so kudos to you. And if you haven't, I think it's about time. Hope you have a good harvest. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.